Welcome back, beauties. If you've been hunting for a powder that keeps shine at bay without feeling heavy or cakey, you're going to want to hear about the Jane Iredale Amazing Matte Loose Finish Powder. This little jar packs a punch in just 0.35 ounces, designed to give a smooth, matte finish for all skin types, and it promises to keep your complexion looking flawless throughout the day. When I first got my hands on this powder, I was immediately impressed by its ultra-fine texture. It's a loose powder, so it feels incredibly lightweight on the skin, almost like silk. The shade Amazing Matte lives up to its name, blending seamlessly with different skin tones without leaving a white cast, which is a common issue with many loose powders. Formulated to be suitable for all skin types, it's mineral-based, so it doesn't clog pores or cause breakouts, something that's critical if you're as conscious about skin health as I am. Using it in my daily routine was straightforward. I applied it over foundation with a fluffy powder brush, and it set my makeup beautifully without altering the color or texture underneath. One thing I really noticed is how well it controls shine. Even after a long day in humid conditions, my T-zone stayed matte, yet my skin didn't feel dry or tight. The powder is so finely milled that it doesn't settle into fine lines, which is a huge plus if you're looking for that smooth, airbrushed finish. Now let's weigh the pros and cons. On the positive side, it's lightweight, oil-controlling, and versatile across skin types. It doesn't look heavy or powdery, and the packaging is simple but elegant, making it travel-friendly despite being loose. On the flip side, the jar can be a little messy to handle, especially if you're not careful when dipping your brush, and with only 0.35 ounces, some may feel it runs out quickly if you're a heavy user. Considering the price point, I think it holds up well. You're getting a high-quality mineral powder that performs reliably and is gentle on the skin. If you're comparing it to other powders on the market, it definitely stands out for its lightweight texture and true-to-tone matte finish. Alternatives at a lower price point exist, but they often compromise on blendability or leave a chalky residue. So, for those who value performance and skin-friendly ingredients, this powder justifies the investment. The build quality is impressive. Sturdy jar, secure lid, and the powder itself maintains its fine texture over time without clumping. No personal experience with customer service yet, but Jane Iredale has a strong reputation for supporting their products and customers. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. All in all, the Jane Iredale Amazing Matte Loose Finish Powder gives a beautifully matte, soft focus finish without feeling heavy, making it a standout choice for anyone looking to control shine while keeping skin looking natural. If you've used this powder, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.